Oi, oi, oi. Right, spanner check. We're still all here. How hot are we? Mate, we're pretty good. I feel exhausted and I've been riding flipping half an hour. To be honest, I'm not feeling it. It's 4 o'clock, I've travelled 30 kilometres, I've got 580 to go. I'm going to get there at 11 PM. Anyway, let's carry on. Next stop, probably Taupo. Oh, the MRD is so loud. We're about 60 k's out of Taupo. Taupo is about halfway. ETA 11:05. So I've got about 5 hours to go. Plenty of miles to cover tonight for sure. Just my favourite part of the desert road. Right, we're not far from Tai Habi. Well, I'm going to stop there, get some gas, bite to eat and a hot drink, and then it'll be the final 250 odd k's to Wellington. I'm going to stay tonight. How we doing, peeps? Okay, we're in Tai Habi. Just had a coffee. The bike is backed filled up. Got 240 kilometers to go. Got the clear goggles ready to go on. Right, I forget how Australian these goggles make me sound because they pinch my nose, you see. The luggage is doing alright. It's sort of stretched and sagged, but it's not melting, so that's good. The sun will be going down soon, if it hasn't already, and it will get dark. Coming into the international airport in Mangaweka. Here it is on the left. Isn't that cool? An old DC-3. Once upon a time there was a cafe you could go in and eat up there. It was very exciting as a child. The weather has changed. It is no longer clear, the sun has gone down and the clouds are like, yo, let's come out. I think it's meant to stay clear. It's not meant to rain. I don't know how bumpy this will be. Oh, a little bit bumpy. Yep, we've still got both the bags. Carry on. Here we go, we've made it to Hunterville, the Hunterway capital of New Zealand. But anyway, we may have a slight problem. As you can see here, this hole was never big enough, it was always tight, and it's obviously put stress on the frame. Now it's got a big massive crack across the whole middle part. So hopefully this whole top piece doesn't come off in a couple of days time. Maybe next year I'll get it right. Haha. Good trip down, happy with the fairing, the bike's alright. It's still a bit hesitant, but nowhere near as bad as it was on the stock pipe. Had one hairy moment on the desert road. They were resurfacing. The signs did say 30, and I came ploughing in at like 80 k's an hour. Like, dare is life, bro. I'm a dirt bike, I can handle anything. And it's sort of like that deep and just loose gravel. So that's fun. So tomorrow is Wednesday, or today is Wednesday. ferry check-in at 8 o'clock. I gotta repack the bike. I'm gonna drop the fuel can. I don't need the fuel can, I've decided. But my bracket worked well. The old soft panniers haven't melted to oblivion, so that's great. So I guess I will see you guys in the morning. Well, I've made it to the check-in line. I'm pretty sure we've made it, so let's just chill. Boom, we're ready to go. Here we go, welcome to the South Island again. So it's 20 to 1, plan will be, we're going to head into Blenheim. Well, that was lunch. If you can hear it vibrating, it's this, actually vibrating against the screen. So much that it's actually melting through the plastic. Mark II prototype maybe? This is the spot! 2017 right here baby, right here! With the earthquake damage. I don't know if this is recording anything, but this is as far as we got because it all got shut off. And the GoPro's gonna die, let's go. So what, 3 years on and they're still cutting away, digging away at the top of the hill to make sure it doesn't fall on the road. This is more like it. Oh, 150 k's to go still. Woo. Good thing this doesn't weigh a frigging ton. Oh crap. 460 k's. I need a gas station. Where is the bloody gas station? Hopefully coming up. Good news! My brand new iPhone XS can't find signal in this beautiful country, but my app called Sigic is running on my iPhone 7, which has no SIM card in it and no service, yet still has location services, I don't know, black magic, and it found a gas station 2 kilometers away. That's great. Now I just gotta dip all the petrol onto bloody that side again. Oh, hell's teeth. That's hard work. Okay, 2 kilometers. Please. Oh man, it's too hot to be doing this. Come on. I don't know, for whatever reason that reserve switch doesn't like being used. Please, 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 please be a gas station. Oh yes, I see pumps. Bye! I see pumps, I see pumps. Oh man, fill button.